How to appear offline on Instagram. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way on how you can appear offline on Instagram. Let's just get right into it. Open up Instagram. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, if you are on home screen, you can go ahead and tap on the profile button at the bottom right. And once you're here, all you need to do is tap on the three dots, and then from there go to privacy tab, so you can find it under how others can interact with you, and it's going to be under messages and story replies. Then you can just go ahead and tap on show activity status. If it's turned on, all you have to do is tap on it to turn it back on. So what it does is it's going to go ahead and allow you to follow anyone, and they're going to be able to see when you were last active or currently active. So if you don't want it, tap on it to toggle it off. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.